Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do an unboxing of the Apple iPad 2021. Yeah, I know this one is very late, but so far I think this iPad has the best price and also the specs. So let's go on with it and unboxing it. So the one I have here is a 64 gig. Let's open it. So while I'm opening this one, I'll just give you some of the specs. So this one is a 10.2-inch screen with a 1620 by 2160 pixel, and the one I have here is a 64 gig storage with 3 gig RAM. So this comes with 8 megapixel camera for the main camera, and the selfie one is a 12 megapixel. So this one comes with an Apple A13 Bionic chip, which means it has the same processor as the Apple 11. So let's check it out. This is it. And inside the box, now we have a Type-C to Lightning. If I'm not mistaken, this charger is, I think, around 18 watts fast charging. Okay, so for the pricing for this one in Malaysia, it costs 1,499, and it's a Wi-Fi version. Unwrap it. Let's turn it on. So this one has a Wi-Fi 5, or we call it Wi-Fi AC. The Bluetooth is still version 4.2. Got fingerprint here, dual speaker, Type-C port, dual speaker, Type-C, microphone, headphone jack, power, volume button, and this one now got the magnetic for mounting accessories. Say hi. So this one comes with 8,557 milliamp battery. Okay, let's choose. Okay, Malaysia. Manually. Continue. Looks like it needs to connect, so let's try to connect. Wait a minute. activating. Okay, so regulator. Okay. So just skip this one first. Don't choose. Do not transfer data. Send up later. Don't choose. Okay. Okay, so let's go out. So this is it. 64 gig iPad. So since I just opened this one, the latest one is 15.3.1. So far it's smooth. Guys, thank you for watching. So I'll be checking this one, but so far with the price, it's the best so far we can get for an iPad. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.